Hi, Ryan Rice here with Rice Properties Group. Welcome to our newest listing here in the heart of West Springfield at 7704 Jewelweed Court. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and waiting on you. Come on in, let's check it out. Coming through the front door, you enter into an open floor plan with hardwood floors throughout the living and dining room. This home has been proudly maintained and has some new upgrades throughout the home. The kitchen was freshly painted and has wonderful granite countertops. A deck on the main level is a great way to enjoy meals and entertain. Upstairs has all new carpeting and 3 large, spacious bedrooms. Going downstairs to the basement, you will see luxury vinyl plank flooring that was recently installed and the ceilings freshly painted. Thank you so much for visiting our listing here in the heart of West Springfield. This beautiful home has so much to offer and is waiting on you. And if I can do anything to serve you at the highest level, I'm always a phone call away.